Hey, good morning, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome back to Waiting for Breakouts. And today's Folio review is a bit savage. I got in here around 247 and it's just dropped right through my stop loss at 223. So I was stopped out last night, or should I say yesterday, for 10% loss. But this initial exploratory trade was only 1% of my entire folio, and 10% of this trade is 0.1% of my entire folio, so that's only $100. So that's okay. This is what happens, and sometimes your theories are not correct. So upwards and onwards to the next monster find. I'm going to do a monster find hunt video over the next couple of days. BAER, that's the other trade I'm in just now, business services, bridger, aerospace, and got in here bang right on the support at 264. And it's had this huge pop up all the way to 345 and has gradually come back down, waiting for the next leg here. So it's found support 271. I still like this trade. I think it's going to go higher. If we condense the view a little bit, we can see that volume is kind of exploding with interest around BAER. So I remain very enthused about this trade and think it's going to go higher. So looking forward to seeing how this one evolves. BAR still looking like a nice trade, so I like this. And that's it for now. So keep waiting for breakouts, and peace and love to everybody, and see you soon. Bye. Oh, and subscribe here and check out that video just over there. Thanks.